welcome to Accolmile. So hello guys, today is our first video. It's like kind of introduction video about Accolmile company. We are very good in electric bikes, electric bike components, batteries, motors, everything like this. So I want to introduce myself. My name is Max and I'm engineer and also in charge in workshop in Accolmile. So today we are talking about our company and our products. Our warehouse is in Poland, so we offer very fast delivery around Europe.
Bang, bang.
So we offer for you all kind of electric bicycles and we have the best solution for you. And in case if you prefer riding on your own bike which you have already, you can create your dream bike when you install this motor on your bike. As we are Bafang certificated workshop, we provide very fast and professional service. And the reason why I'm here, I want to share your information about our product and find for you best solution for you and your family. And you will be happy and satisfied. So don't miss our next video and bye bye.